Hello, my name is Jan-Paul de Wit, Product Specialist Crop Protection at Royal Brinkman. In this video I answer frequently asked questions around sticky roller traps. The color yellow has a great attraction on aphids, leaf miners, whiteflies, fungus gnats and thrips, while the color blue is used to signal and trap thrips in particular. A red signal roll is also available, which is particularly suitable for signaling leafhoppers. The black rolls are suitable for signaling tuta absoluta. Which width is best to use depends on the crop. In tomato crops, 15 cm signal rolls are used in most cases, but with lower pest pressure you can opt for 10 cm rolls to have less light loss. Rolls of 30 cm are the least used, but can sometimes be used in hotspots for mass trapping, for example for whiteflies. In ornamental crops you can use roller traps all year round. In vegetable crops like tomatoes, it is best to place the signal rollers before hanging the tomato hooks. For both situations, place one signal roller for every 2 or 3 rows. In tomato cultivation, we recommend preventively hanging one roller trap per bay in traditional cultivation and one roller trap per row in lid cultivation. If pest pressure increases, you can add extra roller traps. The pheromones attract insects and trap more insects on the rolls, up to 20% more compared to rolls without pheromones. The Opti roll will last the growing season, this one. The Easy roll will last 3 months, guaranteed. Easy rolls are standard available in yellow and blue, 15 cm and 30 cm high and 100 meters long. Opti rolls are available in blue and yellow and the standard length is 100 meters, but we can also customize the length. The height varies between 10, 15 and 30 centimeters. We also have a red sticky roll available in 15 centimeters. The OptiRoll Super Plus comes with a printed pattern as standard. This provides contrast, attracting more pests. These are available in yellow and blue. We can also add a pheromone, which increases effectiveness on thrip. A tuta pheromone has been added to the black roll to attract more tuta absoluta. Do you want more information or have other questions about sticky roller traps? Please visit www.royalbrinkman.com.